Hello friends, welcome to Enchanted Spiritual Tarot. In this video, we will see what are your person's next actions towards you. So I am seeing lot of air and earth energy. So you or your person can be an air or an earth sign. I can see that your person's next actions are to offer you some long-term commitment. They want to take this connection to a peaceful state. They want this connection to grow into a harmonious relationship. I can see you both are in separation or in no contact situation. So I can see that they are coming out of the pain of the separation, and now they want to take this connection to a peaceful, calm state where you both can live happily with each other. But I am seeing that they have waited for very long to offer you this commitment. They are still in this planning stage. They are still in this state of processing their thoughts into actions, because I can see Knight of Pentacles is a sure-footed person, but Knight of Pentacles is the slowest moving card in the deck. So sometimes in this period of waiting, offer gets slipped off and the other person moved on into another connection. Okay, so this also happens. So I can see that they really want to offer you some commitment, some sort of long-term commitment. They want to marry you. They want to take this connection into a next level of your current relationship. They want to travel towards you. I'm seeing they are opening their blindfolds. Maybe in the past their insecurities, fears were holding them back to come towards you. And also they feel that maybe some of you have already moved on physically, but emotionally you both are still connected with each other. Maybe this person is your soulmate or twin flame. I can see lots of love, care and affection between you both. I'm seeing that your person might not be in a state of hurry to provide you with this offer. They are taking time in order to get ready to commit to you, but they definitely want to marry you, want to offer you something very, tangible and valuable. Maybe in the past they were not able to understand you. There were some emotional gap between you both, and I can see that there are some real practical obstacles which were holding them back to come towards you. Maybe they were not financially well equipped, so they were taking time to grow themselves financially, to become financially stable. But now I can see that they are projecting themselves as that they are ready to take stand in this connection and take this relationship to the next level, what I can see here, friends. So their next actions are definitely to communicate to you, to provide you some tangible offer, Maybe they will message you if you both are in no contact. They can come to see you, they can travel towards you if you both live in different cities or countries. So there is a high possibility that they can come to see you, because I can see that travel is showing in this reading today. So I'm getting lots of energies, like moving energies from one place to another. So maybe you both communicate with each other telepathically. I can see that this person want to offer you some financial stability as well, and now they can look into, like, look this connection with, clear um, mindset, without any confusion, and without any fears and insecurities. They can see this connection in a broader, mindset, with a broader mindset. So that's it for today, friends. I hope you liked this reading today. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Take care, friends.